Hey glow getters, this is Kim Gidi and I'm back with another video. So I bring you everything from beauty to money moves. So this is gonna be called episode 3 of revamping my room. So today I am expecting my chest of drawers, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you like how the space looks now, and then I'm gonna show you the after. This is where it's gonna go. I just have a few things. What's this? I don't know, a suitcase, and this was my current chest of drawers. I haven't used that printer in a long time. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but there's a printer, and then that's my vision board there. With the chest of drawers, it's gonna be more visible. I can't wait. So not so long ago, I did make a post on Facebook to ask people to recommend where I could buy a chest of drawers for less than 1,000. And some people were laughing, but look at me now. Who's laughing now? It looks so cute. It is just worth the amount. So I got this from Marketplace. If ever you are looking for a chest of drawers, then you can just go to Marketplace and see. Maybe you'll find what you're looking for. I don't know, but yeah. And also, guys, you guys are not following me on Facebook. I don't know why. And I have more than 3,000 subscribers, but some of you are not following me on Facebook. Please, guys, follow me on Facebook. My name is Gidi. It's just my normal name, nothing fancy whatsoever. Just follow me, engage. I'll make sure to engage back if you also have content. So yeah, this is the end goal. Is it an end goal? But this is the after, basically. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.